Alright guys, iPhones have arrived. 21st of September, 10 AM. Pre-orders have landed as expected. Let's get these out of the box and see what we've got. I'm going to get straight to opening up the XS Max. We've gone for the gold edition. Right, let's get this box open and see what we've got. Straight away I see the standard Apple instructions booklet on the top, and then that gives us the device reveal. Shining gold, looking very nice, the new colour. Let's move that to the side and see what tricks we've got underneath. I see we've got the standard USB plug. I was hoping to see a Type-C in there. AirPods. And the lightning cable. So the XS Max 6.5 inch screen, biggest iPhone screen ever, and also the biggest smartphone screen on the market. Comparing that to the XS with the 5.8 screen, both Super Retina OLEDs, very nice high clarity screens. Owners of the current iPhone X looking to upgrade to the iPhone XS or XS Max may not be pleased to see that Apple have kept the notch. Comment below if you're a fan or not. It was great to see the addition of the gold colorway added for the iPhone XS and XS Max. This now sits alongside the silver and space grey models. Now let's talk about this A12 chip. Apple made a big deal about this at the keynote. They say the chip can process 5 trillion operations per second compared to the 600 billion operations of the current A11 chip. This is going to massively improve the battery life by making apps faster and use less power. The batteries are also bigger. On the XS Max, you'll get an amazing hour and a half extra use. The XS, you'll get an extra 30 minutes use. For those fed up with maxing out the storage on their current iPhone, Apple have added a whopping 512GB model for those willing to pay for it. The iPhone X maxed out at 256, so we're now seeing double the storage. That's lots more space for your pics, memes, and videos. That leads me on to price, and I hope you're sitting down. iPhone XS $999 with the iPhone XS Max starting out at $1099 and maxing out at a whopping $1,400 if you want that 512GB model. That doesn't matter if it's dollars or pounds, so if you're planning a vacay to the States anytime soon, I'd hold off until then. Those looking for the cheaper upgrade will need to wait for the XR, which you can pre-order October 19th. Alright guys, I've made my choice. 1.5 hours of extra battery, that lovely 6.5 inch OLED, and that extra SIM card slot. Great new phone, I'm looking forward to getting some serious use out of it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let us know which one you went for.